Hello students, I hope you will be happy and safe. In the previous lecture we have started the past in the present 2.6 lesson. The past in the present means the reference of past tense, okay, with present tense. Okay, means what was in the past tense, how was the behavior of man in the past tense, and what is the behavior of man in the present tense. Okay, so those behaviors or lifestyle, culture compared. Okay, lifestyle and culture of past tense are compared with the lifestyle and culture of present tense. Okay, so we are on page number 53. We have just started the lesson. Okay, so I will start from scene a typical teenage boy's room in a messed up state. Messed up means untidy. The room is untidy and room is in untidy condition. Neil was that boy, teenager boy. His name is Neil. Neil said, "Mom, I put the dishes in the dishwasher just as you asked to me. Now I am going to meet my friends. You told me the work and I did my work, and now I am going to meet to play with my friends." Enter mom in a mod outfit. Mod means modern outfit because it is the present tense. ये जो चल रहा है ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है. So mom enters in a modern dress. Mom, you haven't cleaned up your room. Okay, you have not cleaned your room. Neil, oh, I cleaned it only 2 days ago. Neil told his mom that he had cleaned his room 2 days ago. Before 2 days, mom, you have to clean it up every day. Mom ने कहा. Neil, picking up his books, clothes, headphones, mobiles, etc. from the floor and bed and putting them in their places. So Neil put all the books, headphones, clothes, etc. in their respective places. Is it necessary to clean up every day? What difference does it make? क्या रोज रूम साफ करना जरूरी है? Mom, it does. It makes the difference. It builds up the right habits and the right attitude. Okay, if you clean your room every day, it is helpful to build up the right habit. Neil cuts her short. All right. Okay, I get enough of lectures when school is on. Okay, जब स्कूल शुरू हो जाएगा तब मुझे लेक्चर मिलेंगे, आप मुझे लेक्चर मत दो. Mom, after Neil finishes his course, that looks much better now, but you forgot to make your bed. Okay, you forgot to make your bed neat. Do that and you may go out. So after putting your bed neat, you can go out to play. Neil irritated, अब वो irritate हो गया है. Mom, it is getting late. The bed is going to be messed up again when I sleep after lunch. Why do I have to make my bed? Why? Okay, ये तो उसके बाद थोड़ा गंदा होने ही वाला है. Okay, so why do I have to make my bed clean, neat? Mother, that reminds me of something I heard about your grandpa. Your behavior reminds me about your grandpa. Okay, I heard about your grandpa. Page number 53 completed. See on page number 54. When he was in his teens, he had many more daily chores to finish and much tougher ones too. When your grandpa was teenager in the past, your grandpa had many more works, many more daily chores to finish and much tougher work than your work. तुम्हारे काम से ज्यादा उनका काम बहुत टफ था, डिफिकल्ट था. Mom, on that day his mom had told him firmly. So on that day, so the mom is telling about that day in the past. Okay, she was telling that on that day his mom, means whose? Grandpa's mom had told grandpa firmly. So now the mom entered into past tense and the scene changed. Okay, now the scene is past tense. The scene is of past tense. A teenage boy from 1950 wearing loose trouser and shirt enters with his mother in silk sari. So अब वो 1950 का जमाना आ गया है जिसमें वो लाइफस्टाइल क्लोथिंग स्टाइल दिया गया है, लूज ट्राउजर, शर्ट, ओके, मदर इन अ सिल्क साड़ी. The boy's mother make your bed before going out. Means the grandpa's mother, that boy's mother told him, instructed him that make your bed first and then go out. 1950s boy, but mama, I have already watered the garden, brought home the groceries, dusted the living room, cleaned my bicycle, so I have done all these works. इतने सारे काम मैंने किए हैं. Now why do I need to make my bed after doing so much of work? Why do I need to make my bed clean? The boy's mother to her son, means to grandpa, let me tell you about your grandfather in his teens. जब तुम्हारे मतलब ग्रैंडपा के ग्रैंडफादर जब टीनेज में थे, उनकी स्टोरी मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. So the mother, the boy's mother means grandpa's mother. Now she will enter into past tense, means the period before 1950. 1950s boy and mother recede and stand behind. Recede means they go back. They go back to the curtain. ये जो नाटक चल रहा है, ये नाटक मतलब एक सीन खत्म होके दूसरा सीन चालू होता है. तो यहाँ boy and mother they recede means they go back and stand behind, and 1910 boy enters dressed in a kurta pajamas and cap with his mother in a 9-yard sari, nose ring and jewelry. So 1910 की जो क्लोथिंग स्टाइल या कल्चर था, उस क्लोथिंग स्टाइल में ये दोनों मतलब बॉय एंड हिज मदर एंटर करते हैं. 1910 मदर सेज you can't go out unless you make your bed. Okay, जब तक तुम तुम्हारा बेड क्लीन अप नहीं करते तब तक तुम बाहर नहीं जा सकते. 1910 boy, mummy, I fetched the water and fill up the pots, swept the terrace, collected wood for the stove, cleaned the grinding stone. So I have done so much work. ये जो काम थे ये बहुत भारी भरकम काम थे. ओके, क्लीन ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन, उस समय जो हमारी ग्राइंडिंग मिल थी ऑटोमेटिक वो नहीं थी. सो ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन को क्लीन करना, या जंगल से लकड़ियां काट के लाना, या पूरे टेरेस को स्वीप अप करना, या वाटर फिलिंग करना, ये बहुत सारे काम, बहुत कठिन काम उन्होंने किए थे. ओके, सो मदर द बॉय टोल्ड मींस ग्रैंडपा's grandfather told his mother that he had done all the work. He did all the work. नील, अब नील मतलब हम फिर से प्रेजेंट टेंस में आते हैं, जो करंट हमारा पीरियड है उसमें आते हैं. टू हिज मॉम, व्हाट आर ग्राइंडिंग स्टोन्स? Yes, they didn't have any electric grinders in those days. Neil doesn't know about grinding stones, and he remembered that there were no electric grinders in those days in 1910. Mom, no electricity either in the most towns and cities in India then. इलेक्ट्रिक ग्राइंडर्स की बात कर रहे हो, उस जमाने में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ही नहीं थी बहुत सारे टाउन्स में या सिटीज में, इंडिया में. नील लुक सरप्राइज्ड. 1910 बॉय, फिर से हम 1910 पीरियड में आते हैं. I promised to go to the river side with my friends. Why do I have to make my bed now? Same complaint of grandfather कि why he had to make his bed now, because he had to go to the river side with his friends. The boy's mother, मतलब 1910 की जो मदर है, बॉय की मदर, वो कहती है to her son, let me tell you about your great grandfather who lived in the 19th century when he was young. Means mother started telling about grandpa's grandfather's great grandfather. He had lived in the 19th century. 1910 boy and mother recede means they go back in the curtain, they go back behind the stage to where the previous pair stands. मतलब वहां एक जो पेयर है वो खड़ी है, जैसे ये स्टेज पे नाटक है तो वो अपना सीन करके पीछे जाते हैं, वहां एक पेयर खड़ी है एंड द पेयर कम फॉरवर्ड. 1800 boy enters in dhoti, kurta and small turban with his mother in 9 yard sari and traditional jewelry. तो उस जमाने का ओके 19th सेंचुरी का जो क्लोथिंग स्टाइल था, कुर्ता, धोती, स्मॉल टर्बन, टर्बन मतलब पगड़ी होती है, ओके, एंड 9 yard साड़ी फॉर वुमन, ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी. 1800 मदर, सन मेक एवरीवन्स बेड. देखो अब काम बदल गया. मेक एवरीवन्स बेड, क्लीन अप एवरीवन्स बेड. पेज नंबर 54 completed. Now page number 55. 1800 boy, mother dear, I have washed clothes at the river and put them up to dry. I also chopped the wood, fixed the broken fence, took the goats up to the hill to graze. I want to play atta-patta with my friends. Why do I have to make the beds? देखो कितने सारे काम 1800 बॉय ने किए थे जो तुम्हें नहीं करने पड़ते. So the 1800 boy had washed clothes, उसने कपड़े धोए, then put them to dry, then chopped the wood, wood cut किया, fixed the broken fence, fence को fix किया, repair किया, then took the goats up for grazing. Okay, now after doing all these things, the boy wanted to play atta-patta, is the name of game, with his friends. Okay, the boy's mother, that is your daily work. Your great great grandfather did even more. तुम्हारे जो great great grandfather थे वो तो इससे ज्यादा काम करते थे. Now go and make the beds. 1800 boys mother said, go and make everyone's bed and then go to play with your friend. Okay. 1800 boy and mother recede to where the previous pair stand. हमेशा की तरह वो पीछे जाते हैं और जहां प्रीवियस पेयर जो आगे आने वाली पेयर है वो खड़ी है. Enters 1500 boy dressed in a loose sleeveless V-neck top and short dhoti with his mother in a 9 yard sari. तो वो जो क्लोथिंग स्टाइल है कहाँ का मतलब 1500 का जो क्लोथिंग स्टाइल था 15वें शतक ज्याला म्हणतो 15th सेंचुरी, तो वहां का जो उस जमाने का स्टाइल लूज स्लीवलेस वी नेक टॉप एंड धोती, शॉर्ट धोती, ओके, उस क्लोथिंग में, उस क्लोथिंग स्टाइल में वो आगे आते हैं पेयर. नील, अब नील मतलब हम फिर से प्रेजेंट में आएंगे. एंड दिस फोरफादर ऑफ माइन इज फ्रॉम, मींस माय फोरफादर इज फ्रॉम 16th century. Okay, mom told Neil that your forefather is from 16th century. 1500 boy, my dear mother, I have already milked the cows, taken them to graze, fetched vegetables from our farm, stacked them, swept the backyard and from front yard. Now may I please go to play Ashtapada with Sampath Bhau and Mahadev Bhau? Why should I make my bed now? So 1500 boy told that he had already done all this work, milking cows, गाय का दूध निकालना, take them to graze, fetching vegetables from farm, stacking them, stacking means piling, okay, जब उसका ढेर बनाते हैं vegetables को कट करके. Okay, swept the backyard and front yard. He had swept backyard and front yard. Now please give me permission to play with Sampath Bhau and Mahadev Bhau, name of his friends. Why should I make? So why he should make his bed now? The boy's mother, why? Don't talk back. इस तरह से मत बोलो. Boy's mother ने कहा, think of your double great grandfather when he was 14 years old. जब तुम्हारे परदादा के परदादा 14 years old थे, teenagers थे, तो think about your great grandfather, वो तुम्हारे से ज्यादा काम करते थे. ओके, तो यहाँ ये 15th सेंचुरी का दौर खत्म होता है. ओके, so we are on page number 55. Okay, rest of the part we will learn in the next lecture. Thank you.